Hello all, in this video we will know what is Arduino, what are the parts of the Arduino, how to use Arduino for the first time. So Arduino has an Atmega 328 processor which is the brain of the Arduino. These are the power pins and these are the analog pins. The power pins has 5 volt ground and 3.3 volt power, and analog input pins can be used to receive the inputs from the sensors. And these are the digital pins. Digital pins can control component output. You can either give it as high or low or control the components which are using to connect this Arduino. And we have also PWM pins. So these are the pulse width modulation pins. These pins are marked with the tilde symbol in front of the numbers. So in Arduino you will know we have 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. These are the digital pins which has pulse width modulation. You can see that this is the B type pin. We can use to connect this to the PC or laptop to upload this code into the Arduino, and this is the DC supply we can give. So this DC supply we can give preferably 7 volt to 12 volt. I use a 7.5 volt adapter. And to connect the Arduino to your PC or your laptop, you can use this USB cable. One side we have a USB A type cable, other side we have USB B type. So this side, this pin goes to the Arduino and this goes to the PC or your laptop. So using this we can upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Now we will type Arduino code to understand the working of the Arduino. I'm declaring my digital pin number 7 as output. So I'm reading the serial monitor. If there is any integer available, we are going to read that, and we have saved it to the num. So now num equal to 0. Digital write So if you are declaring 0 as the input to the code, we'll get the pin number 7 as 0 volt. If you are giving number 1 as the input, we will get the 5 volt output from the digital pin 7. So we'll upload this code and do our connections. So now I will connect the circuit. I'm using an LED. I'm connecting the positive terminal to the digital pin number 7. And I'm grounding it. So if we enter 1 as input, the bulb will glow, and if we enter 0 as input, the bulb will stop glowing. So we have to click on the serial monitor. Now I will press 1 and I'm pressing enter. So you can see that our LED is glowing. So I'm entering now 0. It has gone to off state. Now again I'm entering 1. It is glowing. Again 0. It has turned off. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel.